Hello to all my dear friends who are interested in programming. So today I am going to tell you some best integrated development environments. There are some IDEs which makes your programming more effective and increase your accuracy. For students, programming is a way to explore something as well as for professionals, so keep watching till the end. The first one is IDLE, which is default Python IDEs. Links of all the IDEs are in description, so if you want to download, visit description. Now I am going to tell some simple tutorial of how to run IDLE. First, open IDLE. Second, open new file. Third, create a simple program. Fourth, save this program. And last, run the program. See what I am doing. As you can see, I have run a simple program which gives output as hello. Now some best of IDLE are that it was free. Second, as you can see, it was easy to use, and it can run on low-end PC. And last, it supports both Windows, Linux, Mac. So if you like, please answer on comment section. Now the second one is PyScripter. It is my favorite IDEs, so it is my clear opinion, once you have to try it. Now talking about some tutorial of PyScripter. First you have to download. You have not downloaded yet, download it first. Don't mind, I am just joking. Now I am doing some copy paste for not wasting time. For you, you know. Now see on output.
Now as expected, program has been run. Please review this IDEs on comment section, and if you like it, subscribe my channel. Now going on features, that first, as always, it was free. Second, it was not as complex to use, and it can run professional scripts without any lagging. Now going on third and last, Visual Studio Code or Versus Code. It is not much useful for students because it was complex to use, but for pro programmers it was not more than premium one. Before going to this tutorial, see what I am doing because it is difficult for some. Now step as follows to run the program. First, open or write a program. Second, run program as I am doing. But when you try it first, you have to download Python extension. Now last and least, please subscribe my channel if you are interested in my content because it is free for you, but for me this helps a lot. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep watching.